Bye-bye. What's up everyone, and welcome to the riding videos. I'm just gonna ride around for a bit and then I'm gonna go home because I got nothing else to do on my free time. Today we're gonna talk about Delta Airlines, and the second thing we're gonna talk about is the traffic lights. Man, how many traffic lights do they have over here? I mean, I live here, but damn. We're gonna go to the main street. So we are in Muriel Drive, and then we're gonna go to Main Street. So anyways, first things first, we're gonna talk about this thing too, see how it holds. Well, while this thing is holding for its life, we're gonna talk about the airlines. Alright, since the incident of the United Airlines overbooking people and involuntarily to kick someone out from the airlines, and it was a bloody situation, the Delta Airlines has this idea drop your weed. Anyways, the Delta Airlines will pay you up to $10,000 or $11,000 from what I've read online, and I saw this in the news, Channel 7 in California, ABC 7. They're gonna pay you $10,000 or $11,000 if you give up your seat from overbooking. Oh my goodness, Uber everywhere, Uber everywhere. So anyways, they will pay you up $10,000 just so you could give up your seat. You know how many people would do that just a scam? That's a steal right there. If you buy a what? How much is the airline tickets? $100? $700? 1,000? So if you buy a between that prices, they will pay you $10,000. He's probably hot. That's a good deal right there. A very good deal. Now let's see, should I do that? If I want to visit my cousin in San Francisco? Hey! What the hell are you doing, man? Are you on your phone? Nope, just can't drive. And now for the issues that I have. Traffic lights. How many traffic lights can you see right now? Tell me. Not even a quarter mile. You got traffic lights. That's 1, 2, 3, and then over there is a troll traffic light. Whenever I work, see, there you go. Whenever I work in the mornings, this traffic light either is timed or somebody is trolling over there with a freaking camera. Hey, see? Green light already. Hey, No ton on red. Skirt. Come on. Lift. Can't lift the back wheel. Damn it. So many traffic lights, man. How many do they need over here? That's a transmission killer. Man, come on now. You're lucky I got a bike. And my Honda Civic has a CVT transmission, which it goes fast and faster. That's the only issue we have right now. Well, except for the crackheads and I don't know, speeders over here, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm a speeder as well. Whoa! See, there's another traffic light over here. Hey, get off the road! Crack ass mother. Hey, this thing is holding up. Man, I need to get used to my freaking bike on the longer distance because my freaking thing is, my wrist is kind of hurting a bit. I need to get used to it. Ooh, never do that again. I almost got a crap. Now to do a sound test. Oh, by the way, if YouTube's gonna detect my music, here it is, the description. So, just to be on the safe side. Let's put it on repeat. That's on full blast. Damn, as soon as I hit 46, 47, or 45, I can't hear the music. She's looking at me. Here we go again. Why am I here again? Oh yeah, I was just riding around. Toyota Corolla. Ah, skirt. Fuck you! Fuck you! Uh-oh. Oh, she broke her glasses. How you? Wrong way. You enter the wrong way. Go! Stupid! Oh my gosh! What the heck are you doing? Come on, lady. Alright, that's about it. Delta Airlines. Traffic lights over here. And my waterproof speaker over here is a success. Even with the rough situation, it's still intact. Kinda. But the problem is, I put this music on repeat. Alright folks, that's about it. I'll see you guys on the flip side. I'll see you guys later. I think we're done here.